Sorry guys, you're not going to be able to see a boot of this computer. It lasted 23 years, and sad to say, it was killed by the carelessness of the United States Postal Service. When this computer shipped, it was in good cosmetic condition and perfect working condition. As you're about to see, the misalignment of the front panel was not there when the item was shipped from the seller. That was done by the United States Postal Service. I have the official unboxing device tool thing. As you can see here, plenty of protective packaging was used. So there's another box in there. There's also more foam and bubble wrap on the bottom, with a box on top to prevent bouncing. But due to the package being thrown around, it did not survive. And there it is. It smells lovely. The power cord. And that's all that is in there. And there is a slight, let me see, separation right here. And I'll ask the guy to see if that was already there or not, to see if it was done by the... According to the seller, that damage was not there when you shipped it, and I believe him because he offered an immediate return for full refund. I'll show you a video of that later. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.